we are ready to hit a road again, and we are so pleased that we have this plot again. And no, we are not going to spend all year around here.
No, no winter in here.
No.
It's really beautiful, yes, and it's really calm in here. We are heading more south.
Adventure continues.
You know, now say that we can go more south. Again. Yeah, before winter.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Very slowly, and we will do some road tripping here in beautiful Finland.
Morning starts always with swim.
Hyvää huomenta. It means good morning in Finnish language. Today is a bittersweet day because we are leaving this beautiful paradise, a plot Vanhalla behind. And now it's good time to travel because vacation season is over and places are less crowded. One milestone has been passed. Our coffee situation is not looking good, so this is our only coffee left. Also, we are running out of our olive oil, and we made a decision while we were traveling in Europe. When we run out of those two ingredients, we have to leave the Finland. We do have oat flakes, wild berries from the forest, and a boiled egg for breakfast. Oat flakes are really cheap here in Finland. They are like €1 per kilo, and also eggs are decent priced. And this is a fulfilling, healthy breakfast.
We have a dishwashing table on the shore there, but we are too lazy to go there, so we prefer Slava squat here and just doing the dishes just beside the van. Yeah, we have been doing this for the whole summer. Yeah, excited feeling to actually start driving again. Last time that we bought diesel was 1.5 months ago. So it's been really pleasant to be here. Yeah, even if we thought that this place is like we can just leave it and just go away from here, but there's always things. We have to take the swimming stairs out because otherwise the ice will crush. We have to clean the sauna, empty the boiler. People didn't like that we made an Instagram post and put autumn hashtag to that post. Like, no, the summer is not over yet. But this is the start of the autumn for us. Yeah. On the way we're gonna actually go see more of our relatives and friends on the way. So we are planning the road trip like that. This lifestyle is for people that are easily maintained and enjoying just the simple things. Because if you don't get happiness about simple things, you cannot get happiness about nothing. That's because you are always thinking ahead that there's something else that makes you more happier. But this makes me happy. We have water. We don't have to use our water tanks water, and we can do the dishes here and enjoy.
Our own forest full of gold. Golden cantarellis. These mushrooms are amazing tasting. And I know you can collect these from a Finnish forest everywhere, but it's pretty good that you can collect these bunch of these in your own yard.
These are really good tasting and we love it. Yeah, we always try to collect at least some of them and making food out of them. Sarah likes these with olive oil and just salt and pepper, but I like when you put some cream and let it simmer a bit and you can get really good sauce.
Exactly, and golden chanterelles are excellent mushrooms because you don't have to prepare them that much. They are safe to eat, like straight from the forest if you want to, and also no bugs or maggots will eat those mushrooms at all.
And just a few minutes later we have a pocket full of golden cantarellis.
Yeah.
That one actually pocket goes to my dad because he has helped us a lot. Got us the canoe and things, helped.
Smoker.
Yeah, smoker and everything, so we are bringing my dad some cantarellis he sold, so I think he's not able to go anymore to the forest.
Yeah.
So.
But you can sell these. This is a 10-liter bucket and it costs about 50
or 40 euros, depends on area.
We did have a sauna inspection and we had to buy a little longer pipe to a sauna stove, and also a wood shed needed a new roof. But luckily this local guy was sweet enough to give his leftover roof material, so we did fix that too. And we did put some extra oil in our barrel sauna, so now it's really brownish color and very cozy looking.
And also it's better to actually to maintain it because we have rough winters, rough autumns that will yeah,
the oil will protect it.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Yeah, and what we have done, lots of firewood again. Even we haven't actually used our old ones, we
chop down
some trees on the road, so now it's actually more open, and also from the shoreline. Näytä pala.
We did cut those shoreline trees a few winters back, quite a long stumps. So now we did drill a hole there and put some vinegar, because it's supposed to prevent the tree spreading like a maniac. Usually when you chop down those leaf trees, it's better to tear the bark away, so the tree will die from inside out, but you have to do that like 2 years before you chop down the tree, and we are being us and we don't know what we do the next 2 years, so that's why we did this.
And now it's the sad last swimming after leaving this place.
Joni already took the stairs out of the dock. All this lake will be covered in thick ice during the winter time. But now it's last time to go deep in our beautiful lake. We don't know when we get here back. Maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Life is big mystery.
Yeah, there are some vloggers that talk about their security systems in their plots and where they leave their stuff, that they have like cameras and everything. I think if you need security system for your stuff, it's too much stuff or too expensive stuff. Our security system is this. Just for honest people. If somebody wants to go inside, they can go inside, because these are flimsy doors here. Horseflies. Yeah. Locking up the sauna and putting the key away, so if somebody wants to come here, there's horseflies doing when we are away, they have the key for the sauna.
Sorry, only wearing a towel, but we are leaving soon. The tomatoes survived and they became red. It was Joni's passion project from France. So it's a good sign. We can grow here even tomatoes someday if we decide to settle down. But yeah, let's go dressed now and then leave. Adios, bitches!
It's a feeling of leaving and going to new adventures. It's really good.
Feeling.
Yeah.
Excited to hit the road again.
It's like being on like a yearly vacation from work. This is the same feeling, even if we haven't actually worked.
Yeah, we have been just enjoying. So it's a good tip if you suffer from travel burnout. Just stay put for a while and then you get the excitement feeling again.
Yeah. We are now going actually to pick up some Amazon packages. We ordered some underwear and things for our trip. For example, filling of that gas bottles that we use on our outdoor grill. And then going to the fire hut between my dad's place and...
Outlet.
Yes.
Because it's supposed to be kind of bad weather and rainy, so...
Yeah, we need firewood for that, so we can actually make food outside still when it's rainy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no postage as always. So we just leave the post box here alone for the next years to come. We don't really get that much postage. We get the postage when we want. So every bill and everything goes to the internet mailbox, and that's it. So we were away for 2 years and there was some voting papers that needs to be still delivered as physical paper, but otherwise it was just empty. And again, it was our plan to just leave the plot and leave the Finland, and we don't have to worry about anything in here. We can do our taxes in Greece. We don't really have an address, so we don't have like a residential address. We have just posted as address in the system of Finnish citizen system. So we are still homeless even if we have post box. That helps with the, for example, with the banks and with the phone companies to get things done. But otherwise you can be without any post box.
And it helps that we have some address when we are traveling abroad, because they want to usually know address in random places, so it's nicer to give out like a real address and not just pull like fake street 123 out of our ass.
For example, in Switzerland the police asked our address and we just pulled some address from our ass. I think it was our old address, but yeah, usually if somebody asked some address, just tell something. Yeah. They are pleased with that.
It's so much easier than explaining that you really live in this van and then they get like really confused, and it's not a good thing.
Yeah.
It's just much easier to say you are in a vacation and you have an address and you are a decent human being.
It's so much easier in every case just telling that you are on a vacation. It's more positive vibe. So we are always lying.
We are coping.
So we always buy things with consider. We buy them when something is broken or we really need it, or we save money by buying something. Now we bought actually Puma hipsters for Sarah.
Yeah, the best underpants in the world, because these last forever. They are a bit expensive side, but they don't wear out. Then we did buy some summer outfits, so pants for me and pants for Jonni.
And also we buy this Oral-B Adria toothbrushes from Amazon. It's 16 pieces and it was like €6, I think.
Yeah, when you buy those from the supermarkets, they are really expensive, so that's why we ordered them from China. And
also we have the Angry Grill, which uses these little gas bottles.
Camping gas.
Yeah, they cost a lot. It was like €4 per piece while we were traveling, and it's like 2 or 2.5 meals per bottle.
So very expensive way to cook your food.
€2 per serving. So we bought this kind of thing. So it's a filling adapter, so we can fill from our big bottles to small bottles, and of course pocket scale, so we can see that we don't overfill them. So this way we can use auto gas on those bottles, which is really good. This cost I think €9.
I did not knew they even make those, so excellent.
Yeah, this is not a CE qualified product, and no protocol is protecting me from filling up the gas bottles. It's
But that's
really,
why we have a scale.
yeah, it's really dangerous and maybe illegal even. But yeah, being cautious, it doesn't matter. We can get those bottles filled easily.
Yeah. Now we will go shop in a local supermarket some food, but not much because these smaller shops in Finland are so expensive.
And also, as I said, my dad helped us a lot during this summer. He also got us a generator from my aunt, but that generator is too small. It's a 800 watt generator, really silent and really small. But we have 1200 watt charger, so that's not enough. So we are trying to actually sell that and buy a bigger one in future, so the 2 kilowatt version. Yeah, we have 100 amp charger on our lithium batteries, so that is not working. It will always close itself. Yeah, that is our life at the moment. Not a mess, not a clear, but something between. Yeah, we have to go now grocery shopping. We have some duties to do today. Some paperwork for our sauna. It was left when inspection was done. It's just one email to the governmental things in here in this city, and also we have to order the service for our van, because the tie rods, outer tie rods, are a little bit loose. Yeah. So it's better to actually change them before they get really loose, and
then it gets expensive.
Also, we went to the library to print out the green card, that is insurance card, to go to countries outside of EU.
And the next destination is Frivassen to take a delicious tasting water from his Saimaa area.
Unchlorinized. No additives like that. So this is pure water from the ground beneath.
Yeah, and it tastes so good. We absolutely love the water here.